Okay, jumping right in, I'm going to take a NYX concealer and a flat angled brush, and I'm going to conceal my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it out with the AOA Studio E102 brush. Then I'm going to take a nude eyeshadow and I'm going to set that concealer, and then with a fluffy Anastasia brush, I'm going to take that purple shade from the Boxycharm and Pure palette, and I'm just going to blend it out in my crease. Then taking a small fluffy brush, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take the color Love Letter and I'm going to put it right in my crease to deepen it, and then bring it down to my outer V. I'm then going to take the AO Studio E105 brush, and I'm going to go into that same palette and take the black shade, and I'm going to put it in my outer V. From here, I'm going to put on some NARS concealer, and I'm going to use my flat angled brush and drag it all the way up into my crease, not going any further up because it will start getting smudgy with the other color. And sorry about the lighting right here, I kind of feel like you can see me cut my crease better, so that's why I left it. And be very careful with this process, make sure to take your time. Then I'm going to go in with the Naked Cosmetics and a flat brush, and I'm going to go in with that purple shimmer shade, and I'm going to cover all the parts that have the concealer. And you want to use a small flat brush so you don't go outside the line of your concealer. Once you have that on, you're going to blend that black part. This whole process is going to be adding and blending. So after you're done blending that a little bit, you're going to go back in with that purple shade from the Naked Cosmetics palette and just add some more of that purple. Then going in with the Semi and Precious Colourpop palette, I'm going to go in with that blue shimmer shade, and I'm going to pack it on to my lid. Then you see me here blending that Love Letter from the Anastasia palette, and I'm just gonna be deepening it a little more, and then going back in with that same blue and just kind of making the line more crisp. Then I'm going to take another fluffy brush and blend the outer V, and taking a Love Letter and putting it next to the black and where the shimmer shade meets. And then taking a little bit of that black and above where the concealer is, not on the line but above it, you're going to swipe it across, and then you're going to add a little more of that blue shade just to make it really nice and perfect. Blend some more, add some more if you need to. Here we go, we're blending some more. Take a big fluffy brush and blend out the sides. And if you want to add some more color on the top of your crease just to sharpen it, you can. You're going to go ahead and take your wipey and you're going to clean up the edges. Going back into the eyes, I'm gonna take that purple shade and a flat brush, and I'm gonna swipe it on my lower lash line. Then going in with the Naked Cosmetics palette, I'm gonna go ahead and take that purple, and then from the Semi Precious palette, that blue, and put it on the inner part of my lash line. And I didn't show it here, but take the Kathleen Light Colourpop eyeshadow and put it in your inner corner.